video, let's try to understand how table of contents, how we can create table of contents inside Word document. So to do that, I'm going to come to the home button. Then let me select this. This is going to be acknowledgement, so I'm going to heading. We'll have to use heading to add as heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. This is the sequence of our table of contents. So I will keep it the heading 1, and I'm going to make it center align. Now let me also select this, and this will also be heading 1, and I'm going to make it center. Table of contents heading 1, center. Now this is chapter 1, which is also will be heading 1, and this is the 1.1, which is 1.1, which will be heading 2, and this is 1.1.1. I'm going to make it heading 3. This is the sequence. This is its children is 1.1, it's under 1.1.1. That's how we'll have to make it all the things. Now let me number it. I'm going to do it faster so that we can finish the video within some minutes. Okay, it is 3, right? There is chapter 2, which will be table, right? Heading 1 is going to be heading 2. This is going to also be heading 2. So this was it. Now I'm going to the place where I wanna add table of contents. It's here, right? So now I'm going to insert and insert. No, it's not in the insert tab. In Google Docs it is on the insert tab, but we'll have to come to the reference tab, and in the left side you can see table of contents. Now there are lots of options from which you can select, but one of my all-time favorites is this one. So as I have clicked, table of content is being generated by me. So here you can see that all the things that I have added using the header now is being added here, and if you make any further changes there, and what you will have to do is, let me say I have let's change it to chapter 2. Now if I come here, you can see that it's still chapter 1. What you'll have to do is update table, and if you come here, try update entire table. Now you see it's been chapter 2, it's also chapter 2. So table of contents doesn't know how to count, but it will add as per your command. So here it is, you can go to the, it is also linked. If you click the control and click on any part, it will take you to that place. Let me just click it here on the location, and it has taken me to this place. So this is how you can easily create table of contents inside Word document.